Today, we're going to address one of the most asked questions in the mental health industry. What really is mental health, and how can I understand if I am mentally and emotionally healthy or not? Mental health refers to an individual's emotional, psychological, and social well being. It shapes their entire way of thinking, feeling, acting, working, and even loving. The other aspect of mental health is the ability of the individual to deal with life's challenges and uncertainties in a healthy manner. The term for this is mental resilience. So, together, mental resilience and the individual's mental psyche is equal to their mental health. So, here are 4 simple observation tools for you to understand your current state of mental and emotional health. The first one is called mood tracking, and quite simply and literally, all it needs you to do is to track your mood throughout the day. Is there a pattern that is recurring? Do you always wake up feeling anxious, nervous, or stressed out? Do you end your days feeling low, drained, and maybe even lonely? Observe this. The second one is analyzing the nature of the thoughts that you have on a daily basis. Are they critical in nature? Are they happy, nurturing thoughts? Are you always imagining the worst outcome in any given situation? Make a note of these. The third one is understanding your coping mechanisms. We all deal with stressful situations in our lives, but what do we do in those stressful moments? Do you tend to binge eat? Do you not eat at all? Do you isolate? Or do you lash out at those around you? Make a note of this. The fourth and final observation tool is understanding the belief system that you have about yourself. Our beliefs are very powerful and they shape our whole worldview and our way of operating. What are the beliefs that you have about yourself in every given area of your life? What are the insecurities that sit inside your head? When you do these 4 observation exercises for a period of time, you will come to a much better and intimate conclusion about yourself, and you will be able to work with your mental health practitioner in a way that helps you to overcome these. Bringing out the best version of yourself is what therapy is for. If this video added value to you, you can follow my platform Slow Down with Astha for more content on mental and emotional wellness.